My name is Mark Chisnell and I'm the Technology Coordinator here at INEOS Team UK. My role here is to coordinate the technology projects that we run, the innovation and research and development projects that we run with our technology partners. The America's Cup is an international sailing competition that's been running since 1851. Here in Britain, we've never won the Cup, so we are still trying to win it back. The INEOS Team UK is the latest challenge to try and do that. We chose to work with Renishaw because they have such a breadth of world-class engineering and scientific and design knowledge. They are a tremendously well-resourced company with fantastic facilities and people. We're really excited to be working with Renishaw. They've been a fantastic partner to us and we're looking forward to bringing the Cup home in 2021 with Renishaw's support.